Hello, Sai community. So in the previous video, we saw some drawbacks, limitation with route on a stick. As you can see here, so to go from the green VLAN, the user in the green VLAN to communicate with the user in the blue one, the communication have to go this way and down, this way up and down, and the answer will follow the same path and so on. Limitation was latency, delay, the bottleneck, and the single point of failure. If this router has an issue, then the communication will no more be given. So we want to upgrade once again and come to the final implementation, which is this one. So meaning we go from the route on the stick to layer 3 routing. So this is a layer 2 switch. We configure on that layer 2 switch our VLANs with the corresponding gateway IP addresses, and we just move our interfaces to the corresponding VLAN, and that is. And don't forget to activate IP routing for the blue VLAN to be able to communicate with the green VLAN and vice versa. So how this works, let's jump into it right away. So we can right here, this was our previous setup. What should we do? We go there, come on. We delete the router. We should also delete the switch. Okay, to have things a little bit simple, let's move this candidate here to the right, to the left there, and we go on we choose the switch. We need a layer 3 switch. Let's go for that switch. It's a layer 3 multi-layer switch. So we connect once again PC1. Come on, PC1 to port 1. PC3, we connect it to port 2. PC3, of course, to port 3. PC4, of course, to port 4. So we see here the different VLAN. This one is VLAN 50. Those two PC 0 and 1 are in VLAN 50, and 3 and 4 are in VLAN 30. As you can see here, 50 and 30. So let's jump directly in the configuration. You can see that the IP address configuration on the different PC hasn't been changed. You can see right here, PC0 still have the IP address as it had before. So the only change is on the switch. We go to the switch, we say no, and let's put our topology here on the side that you have a look at that. For us to proceed, let's put it right there like this. Okay. Enable show VLAN. You will see we have no VLAN right here. What do you want to do? We want to create a VLAN. VLAN 50, name, whatever name we would like to give. Let's say admin. VLAN 30, name, let's say HR. So we should assign port 1 and 2 to VLAN 50. Compte, we already in the compte. We say exit, int range, f fuzzynet 01 to 0122. Switch port mode access switch port access VLAN is 50. We go to interface range, fast Ethernet 0, 3, 2, 4. We say switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, these are only the pretty simple configuration. Now, here we come. We say interface VLAN, interface VLAN. Look right here. No more VLAN. When we say VLAN 50, we are creating the VLAN. Now the VLAN is created. Do show VLAN. Look right there. The VLAN is created. Now we want to assign an IP address to that VLAN, which will be our gateway. Do show IP interface brief. Look right here. We don't have any IP address configured here. You do not see here any interface VLAN. Note, this is before we configure our gateway. Interface VLAN 50. Look right there. IP address 192.168.1.254 and the mask .0. No IP proxy app, no IP redirect, no IP redirect, no. So look right here, do show IP interface brief. Look at what came right here. We have a new VLAN. You'd see the VLAN 1 is always there. It's the default one, okay? As we explained in the previous video. So it is there, it was there. Which VLAN came once again? Which VLAN did we configure right now? VLAN 50. This is a gateway for user in the green VLAN, VLAN 50. Now let's go ahead and configure VLAN 30, the same thing. Interface VLAN 30, IP address 10.10.1.255.0.0.0. No IP proxy app. Do show IP interface brief. They are there. Do right. Okay. Question. Can the switch, this layer 3 switch, ping PC1, ping 192.168.1.1? This is the question. It should normally be able. Can he ping the 10.10.1.1? He should be able to ping it. All right, the ping is successful. Can the PC1 or PC0, whoever, ping 192.168.1.1? Ping PC0, he can ping PC0. Can he ping PC3, which was the 10.10.1.1, if I'm not mistaken? So he cannot ping the 10. So you will tell me the last test I was doing from PC0. Let's go to PC0 and repeat the test again. In our previous test, we saw that the ping was successful. Why isn't that successful here? This is a good question. You know why? I told you at the beginning not to forget IP routing. There is a command you create. It is like you come in your house, you create different pieces with doors, but you haven't allowed the communication between the different rooms, the different pieces. You create different pieces. IP routing. Where's that? What? Okay, he has taken it. This IP routing. Look once again. Look at that. Ping successful. PC0 can ping PC3. So remember this command, IP routing, meaning at the end, when I finish configuring my VLAN, or before I start configuring my interface VLAN for layer 3, I configure IP routing to enable communication between those VLAN on over a layer 3 device. Okay? Don't forget that. Don't forget that. So many technicians at the beginning has an issue troubleshooting the layer 3 inter-VLAN routing. Sometimes the problem resides only there. It's a simple command that you should know. Okay? Among others. So ask question over comment or email or whatever. And if you have a question related to the design, do not forget drawing your design. Maybe I will talk about that one in a separate video. So if you ask question, you send me a question related to your design, I should have an overview of your design as well. Okay. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy.